some Italian deli here. That's pretty good. Carmel Honey Company, Harley Davidson, Bubba Gump, and there's a winery here. Oh, I saw this on one of the videos. Looks like that. So we came to get some lunch at this place, Fish Hopper. So I got the fish and chips, very nice. And she got the mahi mahi with crusted mahi mahi and rice. There's some fish sauce in here. Wow. Really fresh.
How are we doing here? Everything good for you?
Got some veggies on it. Mine tasted good, but I think a little bit overcooked. The sauce, rice is really good. And there's some teriyaki sauce on it. I smell this sauce really nice. Let me see. Wow, the sauce, that's really sweet, really tangy, not spicy. Really good with the sauce, but it's really a little bit overcooked. So fish and chips, $23.95. Mango strawberry lemonade, this is a cocktail, it's $15. Mahi mahi $32.95, and the total comes to $71.90, and tax it's $6.95. So we just had lunch at Fish Hopper. Like I said, my fish and chips is pretty good, but mahi mahi is a little overcooked. So now we'll go find the Ghirardelli. The Ghirardelli is right here. You don't have to go far. So one doing good thing in Monterey, you can try out clam chowder a lot for free. They give you samples. The clam chowder?
Yes, clam chowder. Would you guys like to try some?
Yes, please. You want some?
Oh no.
All right.
No.
No?
I'm good.
Wow. That's pretty good.
It's gonna be from the restaurant upstairs.
Okay. Yeah. This is one of my favorite chocolates. I think I'm gonna get the Gold Rush. I'll try that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you liked it, give a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the next video.